So over here you can see I'm right now in my ad account on Facebook in Ads Manager. We created a new Business Manager account and now we are getting our fan page warmed up. So basically this is the first and most important step. Why? Because you don't want to get your account shut down later on in the future, right? You want to make sure that your affiliate campaigns are running smoothly every single day, also in the future, not only today. So what we are going to do is now choose a campaign objective. You see many different choices over here. So I will choose engagement, and then I scroll down to here, which are basically page likes. So I click on page likes and then click on continue. So okay, we have set up our first new page likes campaign, and now over here you can name the campaign. So basically this can be any name you like. This can be also, for example, likes campaign. Now over here you can see you can choose campaign budget optimization. So basically CBO, right? What is your daily budget you want to spend across this campaign? So you can on it over here and we can choose daily budget $5. We can start with $5 per day, and then after that you see we just click on next at the bottom, and now we have here second step, which is, for example, choosing the Facebook page name. So what we do is just choose our page name and then our audiences and locations. So basically over here, if we scroll down, you see we have locations, people living in United States, and we can edit that. Age, I would go with, for example, 35 plus. So we choose, let's say 35 plus to 65, all genders, or we can choose, depend on our niche, only women, and then all languages, right? So you choose all languages, and then you can remove these existing connections. So you just remove that, and you see everything is perfectly working. And what we do at the end, you see over here, you can check everything. I let it on automatic placements, which is really recommended. So I leave everything like it is, and then I click on the next. So the next one is just setting up your ad, right? So this ad is going to get you traffic, new likes to your fan page. So you can choose ad creative, you can change it if you want to, you can leave it like it is, and then you can add the primary text over here, and then just at the bottom on the right corner, publish. So just click publish, and then the ad is going to go into the review, and then maybe in a few hours after that your campaign is going to be active, and you will be able to see over here that your campaign is basically active and up and running. So this is how you set up your first likes campaign to get some traffic to your Facebook fan page. But of course there are many different steps that you need to do correctly before this campaign, to make sure that your page is going to be running smoothly and be profitable. So if you have any more questions, please subscribe to my channel first, and then below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts where you can also get done for you campaigns with ClickBank affiliate marketing that are profitable for you, and also one-on-one personal support. So for more questions, below this video, my WhatsApp, email, Facebook and Instagram, where we can connect on one of these or all of them on these channels. So let me know, and if you have any more questions, we can speak. Thank you for watching this video.